Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to link a table in Google Sheets to Google Slides. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet, then open your file. I already opened to this file. Select your data table, press Ctrl C, copy, and again use this document or create a new presentation. Then remove table, press Ctrl V, and see this paste table link to spreadsheet. Click here. And now we can see this. Move height white. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.